Hey everyone, it's Eddie. Today I'm reviewing something that could be a real game changer for your oral health. It's called ProvaDent. If you have ever struggled with bad breath or just want to upgrade your daily routine, this might be exactly what you need. ProvaDent is a natural dental probiotic that targets the root cause of bad breath by balancing the bacteria in your mouth. It's not just about masking odor, it actually helps eliminate them from the source. What I really like is that it's loaded with other probiotic specifically for your teeth and gums, which means it also supports healthier gums and stronger teeth over time. The ingredients are 100% natural. It includes cranberry extract, purple carrot powder, and vitamins for your teeth and gums, all working together to give you that clean, fresh feeling. And the best part, you just make it part of your daily routine. Super easy, not fast. If you are serious about your oral wellness and want a fresh breath and a healthy smile, Probadin might be worth checking out. I draw the link down below in the description. Take a look and see for yourself. Um, Let me show you exactly inside. I'm gonna open like this. It's like a candy. This is color purple. Tasty very good. Tasty cranberry. You can bite a little bit. Let me show you on camera a little bit my tongue. Really, I like it. It's very tasty. Hmm. Don't forget, I draw the link down below the description. Take a look and see for yourself. This is very especially for your teeth and gum. I use it on the daily basis, and the result talk by itself. Thanks for watching.